Okay, Miss, good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Today we have a teacher evaluation, and the first topic is about science.
Yes, Miss. Okay, for the question homework for science, the first question is, what things exist on Earth besides living beings? So the things exist on Earth besides living things are water, soil, and air. For the question number 2, where can water be found on Earth besides in oceans, lakes, rivers, and glaciers? So the water can be found on the Earth beside in oceans, lakes, rivers, and glaciers is in the pond. Next, Miss?
Yes, Miss Math.
Okay, for the next question, Matt. John has 8 marbles and he puts them equally into 2 bags. How many marbles are in each bag? For this question, we have learned about to make half about amount of something. So in here there are 8 marbles. So of course, based on the question, they should to make it half, based from the amount of the marbles. So 8. If there are 8 marbles, they can divide them into 4 and 4. So into 2 bags. So one bag has 4 and another bag has 4. So the answer, how many marble are in each bag? The answer is 8 marble. 4 marble. And then how many holes are made from 4 halves? So the answer is 2 holes can make 4 halves.
How is it work, Miss?
Yes, Miss?
How is the way?
Here, we have learned about to combine the halves to make holes. And then here, 2 halves, 2 holes, 1 hole has 2 halves. Here and here. And then this one, same, 1 hole, 2 halves. And then in here, if we have only 1 hole, can make 2 halves. If we have 2 holes, of course we have 4 halves. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, Miss.
For the next question, Z has 6 pencils and she puts half of them into her pencil case. How many pencils are in the pencil case? To solve this question, same like question number 1, they can make it to half the amount of the object. So there are 6 pens. Yeah. Oh yeah, for example, 6 pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they can make it to half. So of course they can divide like this. So 3 and 3.
Next, Miss. Matematika.
Okay, for question matematika, di sini siswa belajar tentang diagram gambar, tentang memahami diagram gambar. Untuk soal nomor 1, apakah buah yang lebih banyak disukai daripada jeruk? Nah, buah yang lebih banyak disukai daripada jeruk. Pertama, siswa harus tahu dulu berapa sih jumlah dari buah jeruk. Buah jeruk itu ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ada 7. Buah jeruk itu ada 7. Nah, ditanya, apakah buah yang lebih banyak disukai daripada jeruk? Yang kalau jeruk itu disukai hanya 7, berarti harus jumlah yang nilainya itu di atas dari 7. 8, 9, 10, dan seterusnya. Nah, makanya siswa harus mencari. Nah, dari sini siswa bisa melihat, tentu bisa melihat dari jumlah satu gambar yang mewakili. Di sini ada stroberi, di mana jumlah gambarnya terlihat lebih banyak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Maka buah yang lebih banyak disukai daripada jeruk adalah buah stroberi.
Baik, Miss.
Nomor 2, apa langkah pertama dalam menyusun diagram gambar? Dalam menyusun diagram gambar, langkah pertama yang dilakukan untuk menyusun diagram gambar adalah membuat kolom. Membuat kolom berdasarkan dari jumlah jenisnya dan jumlah dari masing-masing benda tersebut. Nomor 3, apa yang kamu gunakan untuk menunjukkan jumlah dari jenis benda yang terdapat pada diagram? Nah, yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menunjukkan jumlah dari jenis benda yang terdapat pada diagram adalah kita bisa menggambarkan jenis benda tersebut atau simbol dari benda tersebut, di mana satu dari gambar tersebut mewakili satu jumlah benda tersebut. Misalnya, saya akan menjelaskan melalui diagram gambar di sini. Di sini, untuk menunjukkan jumlah dari jenis stroberi, mereka bisa menggambarkan satu gambar stroberi atau satu gambar wajah untuk mewakilkan satu jumlah orang yang menyukai atau satu jumlah dari benda tersebut. Jadi kalau misalnya ada 9 orang yang menyukai buah stroberi, maka kalian gambarlah 9 wajah orang. Atau kalau misalnya ada terdapat 9 buah stroberi, ya kamu gambar 9 buah stroberi. Seperti itu.
Computer, Miss.
For the computer, okay, what can a program tell the computer to do? The computer can tell the computer to do like drawing the picture or like playing the games. And then question number 2, what will happen if the instructions are not arranged in order? So if the instructions are not arranged in the order, so the computer cannot create a proper program in the computer. Only that is.
Okay, Miss. Now we turn to book, Miss.
Yes.
Oh, wait, Miss. What's the answer for number 2, computer?
Number 2, computer.
Yeah.
Just now.
What will happen?
What will happen if the instructions are not arranged in order? So the computer cannot create the proper program.
Okay, Miss. Now we turn to book, Miss.
Book ya?
Yes. Matematika.
Oke, langsung ini, Miss.
Ya, Miss.
Nah, di sini siswa belajar tentang membuat diagram gambar, di mana di situ ada subtema yang di mana mereka belajar tentang menyusun tabel, di mana mereka membuat diagram ini dalam bentuk sebuah tabel. Nah, jadi di sini nanti siswa mungkin saya akan menggambarkan berdasarkan ini ya. Jadi nanti di sini buatlah diagram gambar sesuai data di atas. Di sini ada cara siswa ke sekolah dan banyak siswa. Berarti kalau sudah kita pelajari diagram gambar, berarti kita harus menunjukkan jumlah yang berjalan kaki ada 12 orang. Nah, berarti kita bisa buat tabel seperti ini misalnya. Mohon maaf kalau sedikit kurang rapi ya, Miss.
Baik, Miss.
Di sini kita bisa pertama mereka sudah belajar cara menyusun tabel. Jadi kalau misalnya jenisnya ada berapa? Jenisnya ada 4, berjalan kaki, diantar orang tua, naik bus sekolah, dan naik sepeda. Ada 4. Lalu kalian harus tambahkan 1 untuk membuat judulnya. Nah, berarti kalian harus membuat 1, 2, 3, 5 kolom ke bawah. Ya. 3, 4, 5. Nah, misalnya seperti ini. Nah, jadi di sini nanti di kolom yang paling atas kalian tulis judulnya, misalnya cara siswa ke sekolah. Nah, di sini banyak siswa, misalnya. Nah, di sini kalian tulis yang pertama berjalan kaki. Berjalan kaki. Ada berapa? Ada berapa anak? Misalnya ada 12. Berarti kalian harus gambarkan 12 wajah di sini. Misalnya seperti itulah yang misalnya anak kecil, mohon maaf ya Miss. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 seperti itu. Nah, di sini
Untuk bagian yang bawah, Miss?
yang ini Miss.
Iya, Miss.
Oh, yang seperti ini mereka juga buatlah diagram gambar itu data di bawah pada buku kerjamu. Siswa laki-laki kelas 1 menyukai olahraga yang berbeda-beda. Nah, di sini mereka juga harus membuat seperti ini, Miss. Tapi di sini bedanya mereka harus hitung. Kalau misalnya di sini kan, misalnya kita hapus ya. Di sini mereka harus tulis. Ari menyukai sepak bola. Berarti di sini kan ada olahraga ya. Misalnya kita bisa tulis ini judulnya olahraga. Olahraga. Terus di sini banyaknya, misalnya kan banyaknya. Terus mereka harus hitung. Misalnya pertama sepak bola. Tulis di sini sepak bola. Sepak bola, ada berapa anak yang menyukai sepak bola? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke, hanya 5. Berarti mereka harus menggambarkan 5 di sini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seperti itu, Miss.
Baik, Miss. Kita lanjutkan ke nomor 2, Miss. Ya, untuk bagian ini bagaimana, Miss?
Oh. Kalau yang untuk seperti ini, di sini tadi siswa sudah belajar tentang menyusun tabel. Sekarang siswa belajar tentang memahami diagram gambar itu. Nah, jadi mereka harus bisa membaca diagram ini dari pertanyaan di sini. Naufal membaca titik-titik buku. Di sini mereka bisa lihat si Naufal berapa banyak buku yang dia baca. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maka Naufal membaca 5 buku. Tiara membaca sama 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tiara membaca 9 buku. Lalu Dina membaca. Sini Dina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dina membaca 7 buku. Nah, di sini mereka bisa lihat titik-titik paling banyak membaca buku. Dari diagram di sini tadi sudah mereka hitung masing-masing. Dari diagram sini yang paling banyak membaca buku siapa? Itu adalah Tiara. Maka ditulis di sini Tiara paling banyak membaca buku. Lalu di sini titik-titik paling sedikit membaca buku. Siapa yang paling sedikit membaca buku? Yaitu Naufal. Maka jawabannya Naufal.
Baik, Miss. Now we turn to science, Miss. Okay, actually, this is the book of activity book about the geologists. But how about this book, Miss? Will you explain this book to the students?
Yes, later.
Will you do activity book in the class?
Yes, we have activity book Miss in the class. Later we will do this one, but I think because of the condition, our condition in this school cannot support us to do this activity because we can see the statement right, go to the school garden, but we don't have school garden. And then maybe if we have time or later we have science project, we will do it. Okay, about the material like rock and soil. The point is rock and soil. Of course, we just skip this one, but I will explain to them about the rock and soil.
Can you explain about that?
Okay, about the rock and soil. Now, of course, this one is about rock. Rock is like hard things from the nature, hard things from the nature that can find it in the nature. Like sometimes the rock in bahasa like batu it is hard and then it can be big or small, and then sometimes they can found in the ground or in the water like that. And then about the soil is like dirt grow plants. Sometimes we can use the soil to grow the plants. Of course, if we want to grow the plants, we need the soil because the soil can hold the water and the food for the roots. So later the plants can grow well, like that means. That one, yeah, I will explain about it, about the difference of the rock and the soil.
Okay, Miss. Next, Miss. Computer.
Computer. Okay. Okay. Okay, Miss. About the computer, this one, we have learned about instruction in the program of the computer. So the computer has a program. The computer has a program like instruction about the moving something, like move the picture. So in this part, they have a picture like um, for this one, the cat. How to we will learn about how to move the cat, to follow this row. Okay, so in here, like for example, like the instruction is the cat move forward one step, like that, and then the cat can turn to the right and then move two step, two, one, two, and then the cat can turn to the left and then move two step, one, two. Okay, so yeah, this material study about instruction in the computer. Anyways.
Okay, can you explain more about the symbol? We have symbol here like
Yes.
turn forward and then turn to left, turn right, turn left. Do you have another?
Yes, of course. How to make the cat move? Of course, if we see the keyboard, there are some row in there like left, right, up, and down. They can press them. Actually, they have learned about it. They can press like, okay. First of all, you can click the cat. Okay, we want to make the cat move to the forward, so you can see, right, the arrow shows like go to up, show like go to up or move to forward, so you can press like up button on the keyboard. Okay, and then we can make the cat turn to the right. I mean like berbelok ke kanan, turn to the right. Of course, we can see the arrow shows like to the right, so you can press right button in the keyboard. So you can in here the row like two step, so you can click double right and right. Okay, and then the cat point to the right, and then we want to move to the left, so we can make the cat turn to the left, berbelok ke kiri. After that, you can see the arrow shows like you go to up or move, so you can click left, you can click up button in there, so click double, 1, 2, and then yeah, the cat arrived in here.
Okay, Miss. For next week we have math activity.
Yes,
Can you explain me about the goals of this activity?
the goals. About the goals of the activity is the goals is like we want the students to understand about how to make half, or about something like amount of something and the shape of something. For example, like there are 8 marble, and then they should to know how to divide the marble become half, menjadi setengah, like that. So they can make 4 and 4, like that. And then about the shape also, they can make like equal and unequal parts. For example, like square. They should to know how to make this square become half, like this, and become equal parts, bagian yang sama. And then they should to know how to make this shape become unequal parts, like this one, right? Of course, for example, they can make like this. This is not uncurl, yeah, because the shape, the size and the shape is not same. Same like circle, they can make it half or unequal like this one, like that. Yes. So they should to understand about how to make a half of something or amount of something.
So what proofs that will you do in the class?
The proofs, yeah, of course we need worksheet. We have input. Uh, we have input this worksheet in the G Drive. So later we will print out them, and then we need pencil, and then we need color pencil.
Okay, Miss, I think that's all. So now we turn to science. Len.
Oh, vocabulary list.
Yes.
Sorry. Land is land is ground. Land is a ground for place for ground to. Oh, wait, yeah, miss. Land is place for live. Land is a place for live or a ground where people, animal, or plants can live, can walk, and can build their house every day and then do their activity every day.
Rock.
Rock is hard things, nature. Rock is hard things from the nature, and it can be big or small. And then we can find the rock on the ground or in the water.
Okay, Miss, next. Soil.
Soil is dirt. Soil is dirt things grow plants. The soil is the dark things that can we use to grow the plants, and then the soil can hold the water and the food to the root, so later the plants can grow well.
Next, Miss. Stand.
Stand is be on leg. Stand it means like when you be on your leg. It means like you are not sit down or you are not lying down. For example, like when you waiting for something or when you talk in front of the class.
Shade.
Yes, miss.
Shade.
Shade is a cool, dark place. Shade is a cool place away from the sun, and the shade can help or can make people, human or plants feel comfortable under the sun.
Okay, Miss, I think that's all for teacher evaluation. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, miss.